In today's fast-paced industrial world, managing complex operations efficiently is key to success. Let's dive into the top 5 features of AVEVA System Platform. Number 1. The Unified Operations Center. AVEVA System Platform brings all your operational data into one centralized view. You can monitor and control your entire operation from a single interface, whether it's across multiple plants, facilities, or locations. This enhanced visibility helps operators make informed, real-time decisions. Number 2. The ModelDriven Framework. System Platform uses a powerful, object-oriented architecture. By creating reusable templates, you ensure consistency and scalability across your applications. With this model-driven approach, updates to one template automatically propagate across all instances, streamlining development and reducing maintenance time. Number 3. Advanced Visualization with InTouch Only. AVEVA System Platform integrates seamlessly with InTouch Only, a modern, responsive interface that adapts to any device. Number 4. Comprehensive Security and Compliance. Security is a top priority with AVEVA System Platform. With built-in role-based access control, encrypted data transmission, and secure communication protocols, your system is protected from unauthorized access and data breaches. Number 5. Seamless Integration and Scalability. AVEVA System Platform is designed to grow with your operations. Whether deployed on premises, in the cloud, or in hybrid environments, it integrates effortlessly with existing systems and third-party applications. Ready to take your operations to the next level? Visit aveva.com to learn more.